So students, let's start with the grammar part and continuing to what we did in the previous class. Today in this class, what are we doing? We are doing pronouns, okay students? But again, this pronouns has all the pronouns mixed in it, okay? So we are going to discuss first, tu, a, mi, le, casa, sulla, tabla. Students, help me with the English translation. Come on students, tell me the meaning.
You have taken the cassettes under the table.
Very good. You put the cassette on the table, okay? So you put what? So when you ask question what students, that is first we have DOP. This part is DOP, dono. And second is pronouns, yeah. And second is sur la table. So where, okay? When you ask question where and you get the answer, students, that is pronoun why. Is that okay, students? Now tell me where will the placement? Placement, students, first one. It's going to be tu, les, a, me. Y will also come. Y, a, miss. Students, look, what am I doing? Les will come because direct object is there. Y will come pronoun because pronoun Y. And extra es will come over here. I told you in the last class also, whenever DOP precedes, PP agrees. Okay. This cassette is feminine plural. That's why I put extra es over here. So the final answer is tu lazy amis. Okay, I will repeat one more time. First of all, you should know the English translation. You put the cassettes on the table. Now you put what. When you ask question what, that is your direct object pronoun. When you ask question where, that is your pronoun why. So both the pronoun will come before the conjugated verb. So that is quite easy. Only the difficult part is we have to put extra es over here. We don't usually do that. But students, whenever direct object will precede, PP will agree. This is one of the rules that you have to learn. Over here in this example, can you see DOP? This is LES is preceding, which is feminine plural, and that's why I put extra ES. Anyone has any doubt, please ask me. Okay, moving forward to second one now. Les étudiants ont donné leur cahier. Again, gave their books. So gave what? Okay. So gave what? Their books. And to the professor. So to whom? Okay. So that is direct object pronoun over here and indirect object pronoun over here. The placement again will be before the conjugated verb les étudiants. Anybody can guess what the answer will be? Tell me, please. Anyone who wants to help me? Which pronoun will come? Tell me.
Les Louis.
Les and then Louis. Very good. And all donné will remain same. We won't change that. Extra S will come because cahier is in the plural form. So that's why extra S will come over here. Okay. Again, DOP precedes BB agree. Remember this rule, DOP precedes, PP agrees. Whenever direct object precedes, the past participle will agree. Third one, Nargis and Anna. So this is our subject pronoun, okay? It is starting with it. Prenne beaucoup de salad. Whenever there is quantity, en will come, okay? Whenever there is quantity. So ils en prennent. Ils en prennent. Ils en prennent, okay? They are taking some. Ils is subject pronoun. Subject pronoun placement will not change, but en placement will be before the conjugated verb. Going to fourth one. Vous riez au cinéma. Yeah, you will go to cinema. Where? Okay, so when you ask question where, okay, when you get ask question where, that is your pronoun why. And tell me which is second pronoun? Avec vos amis. And students, this avec vos amis is your pronoun tonic. Okay, this is pronoun tonic. Over here, this is why. Can you tell me why it is pronoun tonic? Reason? So after preposition, whenever this so it is pronoun tonic. Okay. Chalo. Let's write the answer. So it will be vous irez. Vous irez because pronoun y will come.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, like news came now. Like the 11th, yeah, 10th as well. Like French board exam is cancelled for Middle East.
Okay, okay. Oh, that's great. Matlab, obviously not great, but fine, fine. Let me complete this exercise, okay? Just then I'll talk to you.
Ma,
Yes.
someone saying that French board exam is cancelled in the Middle East.
Yeah.
One of the students is
your
saying that
mic is
French.
on. Chalo, guys. Joseph, you are telling in the middle of an exercise. I'm recording the video. चलो कोई बात नहीं. Okay, let me just complete this exercise, Joseph. Guys, first one, Paul Pasra. Okay, this is subject pronoun. Okay, and again, this is pronoun tonic. After preposition is always pronoun tonic. Okay, students. So the answer will be il. It is very easy. Okay, il passera le weekend avec lui. Yeah, done. Chalo, students, complete this exercise. I'm going to take a break of a second. Okay, starting with subjunctive now. Mohammed, you got the rules I sent. I dropped all the rules of subjunctive in the group. Did you get that? Just Mohammed, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. The chef existe que nous sachions. Okay, the chef means the main head. That we know the rules well. C'est obligatoire que tout le monde fasse. FASSE. Okay, c'est obligatoire. C'est obligatoire que tout le monde fasse la queue. Okay, make the queue in front of the guichet. The mother of Mary were that elsewhere. That she be kind with friends. Il est nécessaire que tu remplis. Guys, what do you do? First of all, you put ENT. Il's form, cancel ENT and add ES. And last, again, prondrous, new form, pranio is an exception. Okay, pranio. Sure, students, go for it. Just write the answers quickly. Starting with the first one, C. Students, whenever we have C, we're going to do a new exercise now. And whenever you have C, okay, truvela question. That means you have to ask question. Whenever you have C, you have to ask question in negative. Yes, Isabel is always late. So I'm just adding as Isabel ne jamais en retard. Question mark. Is it that Isabel is never late? I'm using negative question because in the answer they have C. Whenever they have C, you have to ask question negative. Second one. La peinture est magnifique. The painting is magnificent. Comment est la peinture? Yes?
I have to leave now. I have to go have iftar.
Yeah, okay, fine. No problem. Yeah.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye. Next, after that, third one. There are more than 100 novels in the library. I'm going to ask combien de, okay? Combien de romans y a-t-il dans la bibliothèque? How many novels are there in the library? Last, this pretty table is of tissue. Whenever they ask you question regarding material, en quoi est ce joli tableau? Question mark. QUOI. And last, my mother is buying a lot of because. Whenever they have because, you ask question pourquoi. Pourquoi ma mère achète beaucoup de tarte? Question mark. Why my mother is buying a lot of tart? Question mark. Done. Students, that's it. I'm doing only question number 8 for now. Okay, you can copy this down. Your time starts now. So that's all for today's students. Thank you so much. It was nice having all of you. Bye bye. Take care.